Ready to master cloud computing? This is your 6-step roadmap to building a strong cloud profile and landing a job. Cloud computing is the future, and this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the learning process effectively. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Understand the fundamentals. Dedicate 1 to 2 weeks to grasping the core concepts. You need to know the basics, like what cloud computing actually is, and the differences between infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Also, familiarize yourself with key concepts such as virtualization, containers, essential networking, and different storage types like object, block, and file storage. Step 2. Pick one cloud platform. This is crucial for focused learning. Don't try to learn all 3 major platforms at once. Choose one based on your career goals, whether it's AWS for its popularity, Azure for enterprise focus, or Google Cloud for data and AI strength. Leverage the free, official beginner resources offered by these platforms, like the AWS Cloud Practitioner or the Azure Fundamentals Learning Path. Step 3. Learn core services. Dedicate 1 to 2 months to hands-on practice. Practice is essential. For AWS users, focus on services like EC2 for virtual machines, S3 for storage, RDS for databases, and IAM for access control. Use free tier accounts and GitHub projects to host static websites, deploy backend APIs, or connect a cloud database. This practical experience is invaluable. Step 4. Master DevOps and automation. Cloud proficiency demands automation skills. Learn the basics of Linux, shell scripting, Git for version control, and continuous integration/continuous deployment pipelines. Critical tools include Docker and Kubernetes for containerization, and Terraform for infrastructure as code, which are vital for modern cloud architecture. Step 5. Do real projects. This is what truly secures jobs. Focus on projects like deploying a full-stack application on your chosen cloud platform, building a serverless REST API, or setting up a Kubernetes cluster. Make them production-ready. Make sure to push all your development work and projects to GitHub. A public portfolio is the best way to demonstrate your capabilities to employers. Step 6. Consider certifications. They are optional but powerful accelerators for your career. Start with entry-level certifications like the AWS Cloud Practitioner, Microsoft Azure AZ900, or Google Cloud Digital Leader to validate your foundational knowledge. Once you have experience, target advanced certifications like AWS Solutions Architect or Azure Administrator to qualify for more senior and specialized cloud roles. The best way to truly master cloud computing is through an iterative, hands-on process. Remember, learn, build, break, fix, automate, and deploy. Cloud computing is a hands-on skill, not just theoretical knowledge. Get building.